Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to toggle Wi-Fi off and on. So we're going to go to settings, now go to network and internet and click on the internet. Here it is loading. We want to turn the Wi-Fi off and turn it on. Now it is loading up. Soon we should see our Wi-Fi appearing, and now we are connected. If you're not connected, what you guys want to do is click on the gear icon right here, click on forget, and forget the network. Now whenever we try to go here, we need to enter the password. So let's quickly enter the password, and now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and click connect. As you guys can see, it's authenticating. We got ourselves connected into the internet. And now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and restart the router in a phone. So to restart the router, every single router is different, but most of them have a switch on the back which you just turn it off and turn it on, and that's basically how a restart works in a router. You do not reset it, you just restart it. And for the phone, you press the power button, the volume up button, and tap on restart. Now as you guys can see, the phone is restarting, and now I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the settings and update our software. So let's wait for the phone to load up. Here we're going to go over and open up the settings app. Now scroll down until we see the system, and the system is almost at the bottom. Here we're going to click on system updates. And as you guys can see, I do have the latest software, so this is how it looks like. Basically, we need to click on download and install, and everything will be fixed. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.